Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Okay, today this video is based on getting a hard drive placed in the system, or at least using just about any hard drive you have to get a system like this up and running. It's better than nothing. Now, I recommend to myself a mini hard drive, okay? But however, if you have nothing else and you can't afford a USB stick for some reason and you don't have on hands, but you want to at least have a chance to mess around with these things, I use the same technique as if you was installing this thing on USB stick or on a mini hard drive. Etcher, 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 and that's it. Then I place the hard drive in the system, in the PC, whether it would be directly on SATA or driving the hard drive from a USB adapter. It works, that's about it, and I'm out. So as you can see, everything works, but I don't recommend the big hard drive. You might have freezes and you at least have to know how to install this thing. I recommend a small hard drive, but if you can go USB, you are in the ballpark. Okay, you get you 8 GB, 16 GB, 30 GB, you will be alright. And most definitely get you some good memory sticks and you'll be alright. But remember, first best thing, USB stick, mini hard drive, and then if you don't have these options, you can use any hard drive you have, big hard drives. So yes, huge hard drive if you would like to, big hard drives, but I cannot ensure, I will not say I'm guaranteeing that you'll have the same user experience as if you had a USB stick or a small mini hard drive. But you would at least be able to try these things out and not just watch it on YouTube, watch people doing it. You can at least participate and experience these things. And AFP Connects is out. So what's next for me? I don't know. I really need to try and install some new games on these things to really get into the meat of this and see what's going on with them. Yeah, who knows?